Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vincent from Zedes, the PC build of 2017 silent build. So here we have some parts: an Asus Strix Z270F gaming motherboard, and Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, a Core i7 7700K 4.2 GHz, the silent loop from Be Quiet. I thought maybe this is a nice thing, and the GTX 1060 6GB. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you, and this is my unboxing knife. Why this wooden knife? The first thing that we're gonna unbox is the Be Quiet silent loop 280mm. So this is the silent loop 280. I'm gonna unbox it. Oh, it's really strong plastic. Silent and superior cooling. So that's good for my build. I'm making a silent build, so I have a Be Quiet silent base 800. That case is really good for his price. Oh. So if you can see, there is a manual for the Be Quiet, some foam. Oh nice, some really big fans, 240mm. Yeah, the same. The radiator. Oh, this thing is heavy. This thing is really heavy. And some thermal paste and some brackets for installing the cooler. So that's nice. A splitter. You can use that for the fans. So that's nice. So let's go over to the next thing, shall we? Next up we have the memory. So here we have the RAM sticks. So as I said, 3200 MHz with 16 gigs of RAM. Yeah, Corsair Vengeance LPX. Yeah, great RAM. Little but powerful. The Intel Core i7 unlocked processor. This has a socket 1151 from LGA. Right here for a great VR experience. It's an i7 7700K, so it's a beastly processor. It has 4.2 GHz with turbo of 4.5 GHz, so it's a great processor. So we're gonna unbox this little thing. Okay, what I wanna say, this box is really small. On the camera it looks pretty big, but in the real world it's pretty small. So let's unbox this thing. So this is the processor. So as I said, really good processor. Great work for editing, gaming, streaming and much more. So let's go to the next thing. So next up we have, this is Asus ROG Republic of Gamers Strix Z270F gaming motherboard. This is good because it has AMD Crossfire and NVIDIA SLE compatible. It has an Intel Z270 chipset, and it supports Core i7 inside, and it supports Asus Aorra Sync and 3D print friendly. So that's nice. That's really good. It has some RGB, so this thing is really nice. What is this? Is this I think that it is? Is it? No way. So yeah. It's a drink, not holder, but you can set your drink on the top of that thing, so that's nice. We have some stickers, rock cable labels. Nice, nice. We have an SLI high bridge. That's really nice. It has 4 ports, so that's really nice. Some screws. Oh, that's yeah. I get it. The cap for CPU. That's really dope. This looks like RGB cables. Weird. Some SATA cables. Another SATA cable. 20% off of cable mod cables. A CD driver, a DVD driver manual, and some Strix C270F manual. Yeah, use a guide. Sorry, a guide. So yeah, this was the motherboard. On to the next thing, shall we? So guys, as I said, we have an MSI GeForce GTX 1060 6 gig, and this thing is really nice because it has VR options and silent mode options. We have gaming mode, we have overclock mode, so that's really dope. We have DirectX 12, that's good, and you have VR, so this is a really great card, definitely worth his money, because the 1070, personally I find it very expensive for what you get. So the same with the 1080. Just for now, in this video, it's really expensive, and that's why I chose the 1060 6 gig. It's enough. It's enough for playing games, rendering, all that stuff. So here we have this little beast. You can see that it have two 92mm fans. Yeah, it's compatible with twin frozer. So twin frozer is the same as Asus fan stop spinning if the card is cool enough. If the card reaches 63 degrees, the fans will turn on again and cool the card off. So it's a really good looking graphics card with RGB on the logo, and yeah, it's just a good thing for me. So yeah, let's build this computer, and I see you in the time lapse.